शुक्रारा गोंयांत संवसारीक अन्न सुरक्षा दीस मनयलो। हाचो मुखेल हेत अन्न वेवस्था बदल करून बरी भलायकी दिवप आनी अन्नाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान येवपी दुयेंसां आडावप। आमी खातात तें अन्न सुरक्षीत आसचें, तशेंच संवसारीक पांवड्यार अन्नाक लागून जाल्यात दुयेंसांचो भार उणो करपाचो यत्ना खातीर हो दीस मनयतात। आयकात।
Our state is performing consistently well in the State Food Safety Index. We cannot be complacent. Still, a lot more needs to be done, especially on the Eat Right initiatives of FSSAI, such as Clean Street Food Hub, Clean, Fresh, Vegetables and Fruit Market, Eat Right Campuses, Hygiene Rating, RUCO initiatives, Eat Right Schools, Eat Right Station, Eat Right Hospitals. So all these initiatives need to be taken further. The Government of India has got a very ambitious project of food fortification, which is aimed to reduce and prevent the malnutrition, especially in the children.
What I want to add from our side is, as far as the CCP is concerned, we have been collaborating with the Food and Drug FDA. Of course, they have been a great asset to us. They managed to do a lot of implementation, starting from hygiene rating. We covered almost all the eateries, whether it is small or big, from small coffee shops, cafeterias, right up to the 5 stars. And we got excellent cooperation from all of them, cooperating very well, and we tend to go a long way. So as far as the schools, we called for a meeting of all the schools, and the schools agreed. Initially the response was a bit lukewarm, then of course it turned, and now they're full of enthusiasm, and they are actually calling and looking forward for further meetings with us to take this mission forward. Because the ultimate aim is to deliver good, clean, healthy food, not only to the citizens of Angel, the residents of Angel, but also the visitors and the tourists who come in, both national as well as international. It goes a long way to send a message that the tourist here, the visitor to Angel, is eating clean, hygienic food. The response also, as far as the used oil is concerned, most of these eateries, the small towns, they used to use the same oil repeatedly, start in the morning until the late evening, use the same oil. Now things have started to change, and they are cooperating with us, handing over the used oil. Present agencies, internal agencies take it and they convert it to soaps or whatever. But it is a start, and it is a very good start. It has gone a long way. We are also proud to state that Panjim is, along with the FDA, the signatory for the Milan Pact. We have signed the Milan Pact when we were in Delhi, and being among the top 11 cities, I think it's quite a feather in our caps, because if pride is a sin, then of course we are a sinner, because I'm really proud of our achievement that we have done.
And the whole idea is to inspire, protect and detect against the foodborne diseases, besides spreading awareness about human health and also ensuring our economic prosperity. But here I must tell you that food safety is just goes beyond centuries back the UN resolution. It's as old as our Annapurna Shatakam of Adi Shankaracharya, and is as old as Upanishads. I must tell you here, there is one shlok which says in Annapurna Shatakam of composed by Adi Shankaracharya, which says, अन्नपूर्णे सदापूर्णे शंकर प्राणवल्लभे ज्ञान वैराग्य सिद्ध्यर्थम भिक्षादेवी च पार्वती. The food we take, the food we offer, it gives us knowledge, it gives us salvation. So there is every responsibility, as Madam rightly said, with so many programs and so many initiatives we have taken. It is built into our tradition and culture, running from centuries, and we must ensure that the food we offer and take is rightly and properly cooked and preserved and stored and distributed and as per the principles of hygiene.